Okay, so that was a little thing that I kind of stole from a Chris Buck guitar lesson on YouTube. He does it on the intro of it. So it's really interesting because he's in E major, but he's playing loads of harmonised chords from the E major scale and some other things chucked in. So let's go over it. So we've just got an E chord there. I'm playing with my fingers. He plays with his fingers a lot. Then we're starting with this E note. He's playing like that, but he goes and he plays this minor third. Now the thing is, when he goes from there to there, it's more comfortable to play that, but it's the way he slides into it. You've got to do it like that to get those notes to sort of follow one another, if you like, slide into each other. Then he goes to F sharp minor with his thumb over the top. You could play out the F sharp minor pentatonic scale, then A flat minor. Again, you could play out the A flat minor pentatonic if you wanted. So he's doing the 1 chord, the 2 chord was the F sharp minor, the 3 chord, which is A flat minor. Then he goes to A, which is the 4 chord. Then he plays A with a B on the bottom, the B bass with the thumb. Then he's playing C chord, which is a passing chord to get to the C sharp, which is the 6th chord, the C sharp minor. So this is almost like a C altered chord. And now we've got this C sharp, and he's playing this. So he's it's like it's a C sharp minor 9 chord, because there's the 9 on top here. And then it's B minor 9, which is a borrowed chord from the B minor scale, not the B minor scale, a borrowed chord, sorry, from the E minor scale. So the 5 of the E minor scale would be B minor. So it's a bit of what's called modal interchange here. Then we've got this A chord. I don't think he quite plays it like this. I've changed it a little bit, but and then goes to A minor. Again, more modal interchange. This is the 4 minor thing. When the 4 minor thing is basically when you go from when you're doing a 4 major chord to a 4 minor chord, which creates a nice chromatic descending line. I won't go into it in too much detail, but suffice to say, it sounds really nice. So going A major to A minor. Then I'm mimicking I'm playing out of the A minor chord, if you like. I'm playing the A, the 2nd, and the minor 3rd. Then I'm thinking, going back to the E, starting on the E here, going back to the E major chord here. But I'm bending up a semitone and then a sorry, I'm bending up a tone, then a semitone. So I'm hitting this note. So you need to hear that. And then, so you should hear this, basically. Chris Buck does this a lot when he's doing what we call multi-step bends. It's a bit tough to do, but it's very cool. And then back to the E. then he does this. So he's bending up to that C note there, which is out of the scale but sounds really cool. Flat 6 or a sharp 5. And then he bends that note here, the major third, to the 4th. So there's loads of really cool stuff in that. A lot of fun to play.